Hi, today I'm going to do a cleanup of my lamp. So this is my car, a Proton Savvy. As you can see that its headlamp has been a bit oxidized after staying outside for too long. So now it's time to do a minor cleanup. We're using a cleaning kit that I bought from China. So it requires some efforts of sanding and also some chemical reaction for the coating. So these are the kit, and let's see how much it will improve. I've completed the scrubbing process using a sandpaper. You can see all the oxidized elements has been removed, so it becomes like this. So what we need to do now is just use a clear coat to restore its back original shine. So we'll show you later what is the restoration process after putting the liquid.